We know, don't we, that life is about making choices. And sometimes on the golf course, that choice can be, oh, my game's going really badly and what am I going to do about it? Or the choice is, look at the positives, look at the good shots that I've been hitting today and not really focusing on the ones that have not gone so well. And I think business is like that as well, isn't it? That all of us have a choice to be able to make a decision about how we think about things, how we think about our day. And actually, when things do go badly, it is a bit of a struggle sometimes to think positively. But I think it's just a message for myself and for you guys as well today, that if something goes bad, at least try and choose to think positively about it. What can you do about it? What can you do to improve the situation and then move forward? Anyway, just a short message. I thought I'd share it with you today. Have a good one.